Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use your Gcredit to indirectly move money into your Gcash wallet. So transferring Gcredit, ano so transferring Gcredit straight to your Gcash wallet is not allowed under Gcash current policies, but you can still use a workaround. So open your Gcash app and tap on Pay Bills, then choose a biller where you can use Gcredit like utilities or telecom. So on the payment screen, select Gcredit as your payment method and confirm the transaction. So once the bill is paid using Gcredit, ask the person or the company you paid to reimburse you and tell them to send the same amount to your Gcash wallet. And when they send it, the funds will appear in your Gcash wallet. So you've used your Gcredit and still ended up with money in your balance. So take note that this is only a workaround to use your Gcredit. And there's no still direct way to transfer Gcredit to your Gcash wallet at the moment. So thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.